Samala, welcome back. John Palex. Ale. Tajik. Nikanye online meet something per start pale. Isuk cheese chin. Sperachi dong tanzan, talchi dong tanzan ale. Gumeka live tanzan is tong special zani. Hiro nisu tada zera zosla. Karji chijin put sora zera zosla. Isuk spera tanzan mane konomi tong taljit pinne. Tene kulea choseka kyonachina. Mana kulea tene molamang posila china. Homgeba china choseka kyonachina. Migun zingmyo cheru. Teoko de chogoshimanogle. Agomago. Kashi kochi last week basam. Tene sting ni. Oh, staste no stini. Tene story nang isuk Instagram TV kan beka IGTV kan beka borat pele. Chesene deja ngam puji request lep. Isuk tesangam ni boramit live chupu tan supportan. Tene kong zetu pa kashiga last year tene kashiga yang isuk shik chide chin. Sting mane sta cheshamira kashik tene deja tezane dili yutno dili te chogle chamugun tene 4G gela dula miruklo ya chamola das pamon pa. Tene mampuji nga juale barakle isuk shik juju stine upload just tene stine dal jose kong internet gela yutsane hale matok pitok gela dula no pale matok gela dula no tene mampuji tisu matok zoria mi mampuji use machosane bandwidth gela yutsane no connection gela yutsane static tupa somba tisu shenyale ina mata chide chen o meditation chosane hale oh ya tene mata sama mira sama lokse life ni tanzane shkет kosono mata meditation yambu chosono shtene mira sama izuk dupale mira sama tsabi kata samade jishe kashi tsek paradoxical junata chijin nax rock depression rock so telo I want to purify my soul meditate read prayers study soul purify is home gya bosana pale so my depression rock lo kashi how to control my anger zero pale home gya pale meditation chosa manale the philosophy panches toxis panano da sa da shunjugi dezo pelius os toxis panano pale ina te nyampo rombo gya bosana jaton meditation bo chosa kazuga shomet kansum kazuga depression met kansum kazuga sembashkit posom hale kazuga tene chizi kora nam organ zoskit po sembacham mission mechi tongzana nganma kazuga na seret mistini na ma ser kansum patang chajimanle agwa oh yeah sorry English, yeah, sorry, I forgot. I get carried away in the Taki. I'm basically reminding everyone to, when I end this session because right now we'll do meditation, right? Shamatha meditation. So usually the viewers, right now is 284. There was 300 something. So it gets less because meditation is kind of boring. And I get it, But the thing is like, people ask for solutions for their problems. Like some people say, I get a lot of messages like, oh, Rinpoche, I'm depressed. Oh, Rinpoche, I have so much anger. Oh, Rinpoche, I'm not very happy. What should I do? I cannot concentrate, blah, blah, blah. And all of this, the biggest solution is meditation itself, which we're going to do now. And if you keep asking for quick fixes, and when I'm giving you the medicine, if you can't take it, if you don't meditate with me, then what's the point? That's what I was just how to decrease anxiety, meditate. How to decrease depression, meditate. How to be more patient, meditate. How to be happier, meditate. How to be calm, meditate. How to improve concentration, meditate. How to get rich, meditate. I don't know. Yeah, but still, that's not very important. Important is peace of mind. So for that, we need to meditate. It's very important. Okay, how to get rid of study low. Then study well. Study well, get a good job, then you'll get rid of your studies. Oh yeah. Tell us whereabouts about Dziga Choktrul Rinpoche. Oh, Dziga Choktrul Rinpoche, he is the lineage, our monastery. Our monastery is the root guru, you can say, or maybe like the head lama of Dziga Drukpa Kagyu. And right now he resides, I think right now he's in Taiwan. He has lots of followers in Taiwan. So Rinpoche has his activities mostly in Taiwan. Rinpoche speaks fluent Mandarin, and Rinpoche has large following in Taiwan, so that's where he teaches mostly. But then sometimes Rinpoche comes to Tsopema, sometimes Dziga Rinpoche comes to Bhutan, sometimes he travels, but mostly he's in Taiwan. Anyway, we'll start meditating now. No more questions, please. Like I said last time, get like a small point which you can focus on, and just place it in front of you on the floor. So, Stanika Borazat. I'm not going to repeat too much here because I've already repeated a lot. Unless there's a newcomer, If you're a newcomer, then just go back and watch my old videos, and you will find the instructions. I'm not going to explain too much. After explaining every day, you get tired, Anyway, so Kampa Yunma, left first, and then on top of that, wait, I think my rope is too tight. So left first, on top of that you put the right. Yeah, okay, that's Padmasan or Vajrasan. Then what you do, you put your right on top of left, hands here, back straight, so shoulders open. Yeah, don't close your shoulders open. Okay, so your lungs are open, so you can breathe freely. Yeah, if your shoulders are closed, then you can't breathe properly. Your shoulders have to be open, your lungs have to be open. Yeah. Then your back straight, of course, and then your head slightly crooked towards the front. Good, eyes half shut, then what is mouth, katsek pitches, slightly open mouth, tip of your tongue touching the palate. Touches, bus. Then is sembu, migir gutte, division burches. Very simple. Shamatha meditation, not vipassana. Shamatha meditation. The first and foremost, most foundational meditation technique in Mahamudra tradition. Yeah. We have to start somewhere, so we're going to start with the first step, the first technique. So, then migir gutte, through your eyes, through your gaze. So, through your gaze, you place your mind. Your mind has to sit on top of the bindu that you placed in front of you. So, okay, so we're going to do it for 8 minutes. Wait, that's 1.5 minutes. Yeah, 8 minutes. Minute get. Okay, everybody. So nice to meditate. Within a few seconds, your mind will start wandering here and there. Don't let it wander. Bring it back through your gaze. Place it on the bindu which you have put in front of you. The bindu is placed roughly 2.5-3 feet on the floor in a straight line away from you. Again, the mind is gone, distracted. Bring it back. Don't get lost in your thoughts. Breathe evenly through your nose and through your mouth. Calmly, without exertion. mind would have wandered. Your mind is somewhere else. Bring it back. Place it through your gaze onto the bindu in front of you. It's going to calm your mind. Sembo devam açıracağım gülümür. Ya sembo son sarte mikyak. Sembo minda danse. Loksikam. Migir gütte. Dunna borti yutkane. Jokdokchun bo. Kawochos kadina kuwatene. Dewishin bu janokle. Teka borasat sembo. 쪽지가 더 꼬려버려 줬라. sembo 되신비가 버렸어. 장 라슈마 장 공부했습니까? Your mind would have wandered already. Using the rope or the leash or the lasso of your mind, your mindfulness, your concentration, whatever you want to call it, bring your mind back. Gaze. Don't just look, gaze at the bindu. Спутчик гулямазад. Ме пътсам тук и написи поръзад. Don't move your body at all. Keep it absolutely still. Like an immovable mountain. Stable. Firm. Try not to blink. that's 8 minutes. Minute gets on, sir. So, you can just stretch your body a little bit. Kampatsik. Shkanzat. Kampalakpa. Shkangushis, Marshkangle. Shkangushis and Shkanz. Milkamilkangushimika. Ribuchi Muldugzem. Milkamikambashkamadali. Oh, yeah. Then it. That's a big rest. Then he does a meditation. Supposed to. Maputo Gushimal. Then he is supposed no much supposed to. Suppose Matus and the supposed to na. Then it took power just to make Saspasang. Then he meets Musanole. How go? Supposed to almost at Mixanopole. When you meditate, now you can stretch your legs, you can relax, or you can get up if you want. Have a glass of water, rest yourself. You can relax your eyes by rubbing the bottom of your palms like this. Rub. Make it hot, not too hot. And then place it on your eyes. Usually when you meditate, I suggest people not to light incense, incense. I think today one of my sisters, they lit an incense. It irritates your eyes, the smoke, and also your nose, It's better to have clean air so that you don't have to blink too much and that your breathing does not become labored, because of the smoke. Yeah. Cheers. Water. Ready? Somebody delay. Session number 2. 8 more minutes. Minute get. Yeah. Start with search. Left, right. So, can we wear glasses during meditation? Of course, you can wear glasses. Don't put sunglasses. You have to see the bindu. Yeah, this bindu, you have to see it. So don't put like a very, dark glasses, but like reading glasses, spectacles. You can just prescription glasses. You can just put. Okay. Again. Gaze at the bindu in front of you. And the mind has to follow the gaze. And just place it like you place a cup on a table onto the bindu. That's it. Sembo migirgütte. Dövüşümbeka burçasın ol. So, korejik. Çözüge boruz. Lamon ol. Sembo yang te on son ste mekar. Lorsque migir ki te dövüşüm bir kapor. Tamse maduk. Your mind would have already wandered somewhere else. nervousness, depression, anxiety, sadness, turbulent mind, whatever you want to call it. Everything improves your mind, everything gets. Meditation is the antidote to all these things. Semenaji dungalyutna. Chi circa yuddo. Semna ciraddo. Omgepsesini kamsam chanol. Ngitang kansosin. Which is like sleeping, taking a nap, how your body becomes refreshed. When you meditate, you're resting your mind. You're resting your mind onto the bindu in front of you through your gaze. That's it. Rest your mind through your eyes onto the bindu. Don't think of anything. Don't analyze your thoughts. There's no need right now. Right now we are going after calmness and clarity. Yeah. Mostly calmness. Calm mind. It's mind training. Sembujaktum devam korinduk sinole. Kanikar korinduk patama chanamata. Zuxpagi kayut na semboga nikar lepsir demek ya. Daha sembo çok borça sinole. Dun bikayut kani dewishin bika. Semba kamsan chan. Ngittan kamsosla, ngalso kamsosla. Ombo yapsa mene panmanole. Yeah, 8 minutes complete. So every day, 1.5 hours, philosophy, a bit of prayers, and a bit of meditation. I think that's a good mixture. So, 일다직 만다더니 자빅 philosophy, 조스빅 하고 제스 진즉 조심하지만 되네. 자빅 조슬제스 되네 곰겹제스 다 가르지 치사 이나온 켄 할래 주비스 건당기 danse 도와대기 자빅 랑스팅 에스페라냐한테 엑세스 동조도 요가지 동조도 할래 Zugspop Hanchesepia, Metames Chachintigun, Ushkabushis Mekir, Jimbim Chagushis Mekir, Jimbun Pestam Mekirle, Campadux de Matanchang, Karchamacho, Bollywood Nipuminda Chungin Chekirle, Stunus Puchosan, Lambo Langosan, Lama Mirupa, Zuspangata, Yarachus Burgosano, Kangatantini, Kani Chosan Silgosano, Simni Roman Gebgosano, Lose, Map, Eat. I'm just encouraging everyone to exercise every day, physical exercise. I'm just saying that, you don't have to go to a gym necessarily. It's up to you what kind of exercise you prefer. You can do yoga, which is beautiful. You can do body weight exercises. Yeah, you can learn so much on YouTube, and you don't need to spend any extra money. The main thing is getting up, from your bed, from your chair, and to do some physical activity. You can play football, whatever, you just have to do something, do some gardening, help, people around, as long as you don't, it depends on where you are, whether you're in quarantine or not, so it depends on a lot of factors, but basically just keep moving, do something, don't just sit around every day. Blood circulation is going to tag you goes on, but it's going to tag you goes on. Sningbo gulgosan so sningbo gulgosan tag gosan zuspena go tag gusitene lapa ngelasan go lapa sansan lapa ngata oxygen gosan fresh oxygen gosan ko atene izu chede lapa wala fresh oxygen tankan bo sningbo no pump tankan pus vel lapa puk chanle o sistema minne yon hago lapa tis gulan yeah. So basically, if you supply your brain with oxygen, and that happens when you work your heart a little bit, some blood circulation, you can't just always be stagnated, and then your brain will rot. So, okay. Samala Tujichi, thank you so much. Well, thank you, I don't know for what, but thank you for, thank you for listening. Thank you for praying with me. Yeah, thank you for praying with me. Thank you for listening, and thank you for meditating together. But the thing is, it's for your own good. So how it benefited me, I hope it will benefit you as well. I'll see you again tomorrow, 5 o'clock. Garishniaka, sharp. Every day the same schedule until the 21st of June. Yeah. In between, Parparayang, the 8th day, the 8th day of the lunar calendar, we will do some special prayers. Then you have Tsishu, the 10th day. Then you have Chonga, the 15th day. Then you have then you have Nishushma, 25th. Again. Then you have 29th. Then you have 30th. So I think there are 5 or 6 days within a month. Those are auspicious, Then we will do some special prayers. We will do more prayers. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Tsangmala Jule, please take care of yourself. And one last thing I forgot. Niranguni message calls on Hale Jule Chaksal Chiputia Mazadia. So Tujichi Tsangmala Chaksal Zichis Lapatal Majerchis Niranguni respect you, but Tujichi, I appreciate it. In Niranguni experience Kazushi Song Tegun Tizuko. Shadazat Hale. Nakshari Karazan, Nakshara Demosorale. Niranguni meditation choka, Niranguni Chosilka, Yonchmana. Family nya budukste zawazama nya budukste nakshari kalaza mana visualize jilda musharpale onga kamzang ni zuzena dikte no tin nang naksha kanan dangal da musarra. I'm requesting everyone to send pictures, meditating, reading prayers, so on, in groups with your family, with your friends. I prefer pictures than just words. So I encourage everyone to send some pictures and tell me about your experience. Teneteron teo mampuji lantang bosho tamane message kalom kapelong yamira khale message palani tu le gonjo message pe ganji se mami ji boshara message kapelo mouse ngene importance bile kule kapene gons pasar tamolange job then there's so many messages pending. I didn't have time to open them, I feel so lazy. I saw like, I don't know, something plus. I thought I will leave it all. Like an ostrich, hiding my head in the sand. Anyway, Sangmala Julie, take care. See you tomorrow at 5 o'clock. Julie.